Final Cut Pro X. Product Review. Final Cut Pro X is a professional video editing software application developed by Apple Incorporated. It was first released in 2011 as the successor to Apple's Final Cut Pro 7 and marked a significant shift in the design and features. Final Cut Pro X aims to provide a powerful yet approachable editing experience for both professional and independent filmmakers. Final Cut Pro X features a visually redesigned interface with the majority of tools housed in a single toolbar along the top. Editing functions like trim, clip connections, and mute are all present in this unified toolbar, giving you access to key tools in one place. The redesign aims to minimize clutter and focus on the footage, making it simpler to learn for new editors. However, some of the advanced features found in Final Cut Pro 7 were initially removed in X, which was controversial. However, many of those features have since been rebuilt and added back in updates. One of the strengths of Final Cut Pro X is its support for many modern media types and formats. It can handle up to 8K resolution footage and edit grainless 10-bit 4:4:4 video without transcoding. FCPX seamlessly handles DSLR footage from sources like Canon and Nikon. It also supports formats like ProRes, HEV, H.265, DNxHD, and Panasonic Vericam. Multiple audio formats including Dolby 5.1, 7.1 and Atmos are also supported. Final Cut Pro X's media management can automatically detect and organize your footage so you can quickly find clips using keywords, ratings and metadata filtering. Graphical design tools in Final Cut Pro X allow you to add professional-looking titles, lower thirds and motion graphics. The Dslr editor lets you create sophisticated text animations with 3D layers, keyframes and effects. The Motion Graphics template feature lets you import Adobe After Effects and Cinema 4D templates for integration into FCPX projects. You also have access to the entire movie effects library of over 800 transitions, filters and adjustments. Final Cut Pro X's color correction and grading tools offer advanced controls for colorists, including HDR mastering. In terms of workflow features, Final Cut Pro X supports real-time rendering so you can preview edits in the timeline as you make them. This radically speeds up the editing process compared to traditional render-based NULs. FCPX uses a magnetic timeline that automatically adjusts for edits made within a clip without renumbering downstream clips. A role-based editing mode provides options for assistant, assembly, and finishing editors. Multicam editing support allows up to 64 angles to be synced and cut between. Collaboration tools are also integrated directly into Final Cut Pro X. The Share feature lets you generate optimized video masters in formats for quick uploads, previews, and dailies. You can also share projects with teams using the library feature, which allows multiple editors to work simultaneously on different parts of the same project. Final Cut Pro X integrates directly with Motion and Compressor for compositing, visual effects and output tasks within the Apple ecosystem. Final Cut Pro X is compatible with macOS Monterey and most recent Intel and Apple Silicon-powered Macs. A subscription to Final Cut Pro, starting at $299.99, includes free upgrades for life plus access to training content and the Final Cut Pro X user guide.